So to me, AAON is it's a company that we excel at innovation. It's what the company was founded on. We came into the business, we were a very small company. You know, you try to differentiate from the big guys. So how do you do that? You know, you be an innovator. You come up with solutions that customers had always thought they needed, but they didn't have the ability to get it.
AAON is the epiphany that a gentleman had. He hit some secret sauce. He came up with something special. And what it's become today is a polishing and a development and evolution of that original idea, that original epiphany. It's a special way to do manufacturing that the world is starting to see.
Our original founder, at the time in the HVAC industry, you had your one-off custom manufacturers, and then you had your high-volume cookie cutter manufacturers. His vision was to kind of be something different, be right in the middle. Bringing that philosophy in and saying, how do we produce a piece of equipment that meets the customer's needs and it's the most cost-effective, practical solution for the customer?
I mean, the mission for us is fairly simple. We want to lead the industry in the products that we produce, and we want to provide a premier ownership experience for all of our customers.
We maintain best lead times based on a lot of factors. The engineering department, they redesign products on a daily basis to accommodate part shortages. We also carry an abundance of inventory that a lot of our competitors just weren't willing to do.
You know, we basically have always tried to, again, bring some practicality into the equipment for the end users. Very service friendly, very easy to maintain and keep that equipment operational for 20 plus years.
So quality can make or break any company. We want to make sure that we have the best product, the leading edge product, not just in testing and fabrication, but when it's actually on the floor, when your customer is using it.
We do a lot of little things that add up to provide a piece of equipment that lasts twice as long as the competition. We provide longevity, efficiency, and tailor-built equipment to fit a specific need.
At the end of the day, we're focused on products that are best in class from a performance, durability, and overall life cycle investment perspective for our customers. And we provide that value at a very meaningful cost.
Our product has always been a premium product. So to maintain a premium product, you have to think ahead of what is a premium product down the road, because you don't develop one of these in a few weeks. Every one of these takes years of development. You know, today we're working on products for 5 years from now.
Part of it is our culture, how we drive to succeed. We don't have a lot of red tape that you'll see, especially in the big companies. So we're able to really develop things a lot faster.
I'm amazed every day at what our engineering and our production teams do and how far ahead we're able to stay, constantly making the investment in R&D technologies on the shop floor, and automation has allowed us to continue to stay ahead.
They really encouraged us to try something new, to push the machines to the limit, design as much as you could, be that making it easier for our employees, better for our customers. We just kind of ran the gambit on how we can constantly improve.
We have to be willing to take risks. We have to be willing to fail, because every time we fail is an opportunity for us to learn as an organization.
AAON's future is extremely bright. There's so many opportunities out there. When you look at all of our facilities, we're adding on for 5, 10, 15 years down the road. We need to capitalize on a lot of this opportunity, and it all starts right here.